Do you want to learn how to turn ordinary letters into bold, eye-catching art? Do you want to learn stylish fonts from tattoo style to playful love heart bubble writing? Then this is the course for you. We'll explore techniques from a beginner level that will enhance your letter drawing ability. Perfect for custom art pieces, card designs, or just expressing yourself on the page. First of all, we are going to go over the drawing tools that we will use throughout the course. We will then quickly explore why you already have a solid foundation of learning to begin this course. After this, we get to the first stylish font, tattoo style letters. Here, we will start with the 4 steps to forming any letter in this style, while also allowing you to put your own idea on the final letters and make them really stand out with a personal and professional feel. We will then go on to forming our first tattoo style word, and then adding shadows to that word for an awesome 3D effect. Then we are going to look at an alternative way to form your tattoo style words by overlapping letters in order to generate a layering effect. After this, we will explore adding some extra details to our words, which results in a cool graffiti effect. To wrap up this section, we will form the entire alphabet using this tattoo style. For the next section, we will focus on how to create love heart style bubble writing. We will begin by going over how to draw and shade the hearts we will be using for the bubble letters, followed by forming the bubble letters to draw the hearts in. After this, we will be drawing on the hearts, then inking in the outlines afterwards. We will then colour and shade the hearts, and then complete the final step of inking in the bubble letters. So, what are you waiting for? Jump in and let's get started on your creative journey.